Are you the kind of business owner who wants to lead from the heart? If so, listen in to today's training on how to embody your value. So what does it mean to embody your value? Well, think about three things. Number one, what ideas do you want to embody? Number two, what qualities do you want to embody? And number three, what feelings do you want to embody? You might be the kind of person who wants to embody grand ideas. Maybe you want to embody the character qualities of integrity or the feelings of love, generosity, prosperity. So the reason it's so important to embody your value is because you are seen as the go-to person when somebody needs your kind of help. People don't buy from the head, they buy from the heart. And you want them to feel like you're the go-to person for your kind of services or products. Number two, attract opportunities instead of chasing them. When you embody the value that you're offering the world, you're able to allow opportunities to come to you, high-level opportunities. People are going to want to come to you over and over and over again, and you don't have to go after people. You don't have to chase people. You can charge more. So when you embody the value that you're offering, the ideas, the qualities, the feelings, then you can charge premium prices. You can showcase the value, and then people want to invest with you. Also, the work that you're doing is actually much more impactful. When you are being the person that people want to be like in some way, the work that you're going to do for your clients is so much more impactful. You'll get bigger transformations over longer periods of time. And when you embody your value, you feel in alignment with your fullest potential, with your highest self. So it's very important to capture these benefits of embodying your value. And I'm going to take you through a short practice today so that you can really feel this in your own being. If you trust me, consider closing your eyes now. Take a breath in and a breath out. Keep breathing in, steady, out, steady. One more breath in and out. Now, feel your core. Feel your belly button relax away from your spine. Feel your back. Feel your hips, your legs, your feet. Feel your shoulders, your arms, and your hands. Feel your head and your face now. Keep breathing in and out. Getting really present with your breath and your body, full body awareness in this moment now. And notice how you feel. Now imagine you're working with a client and they're getting massive results, huge transformations. They have a big outcome in their life. What do they feel like? Notice the feeling state of your future clients who are getting massive results by working with you. Feel the feelings of your future clients' results. And this is how you embody the value that you're bringing to the marketplace. If you're ready, you can blink your eyes open if they're closed, a little smile on your face, and just take note of what it felt like when you were feeling what your clients feel like. If you can walk around in the world, show up in your business just like that all the time, you will be embodying the value that you offer the world. If you need help, keep following my content, or feel free to schedule a session with me at speakwithleela.com, and I will guide you through this process to help you really feel the feelings of what your clients are going to feel when you're showing up in your biggest, highest value.